Hindi, lahat yan sila, pati yan si Martin Romualdez, wag binabad ng bilyon yan. Kaya, mausapan lang naman. Maybe one of the things that I will do next is, of course, this time, I would be appealing to every Filipino. Lahat. Once and for all. Buhay man yung kuha, hindi man nasunog ang building nila, pero lang kung sunugin andyan man yan, buksan natin lahat. Huwag na lang muna yung ibang ngayon yung this year lang. Tapos pagkatapos buksan natin next year. Buksan ng Congress. Ang Congressman, hinamon ko ba sila? To open your book.